CSR, the company that I'm going to use is Ben& and Jerry's, and their social mission really encompasses everything in the fact that they try to improve, social relationships with their locally and then as well as nationally and then as well as internationally because a lot of the farms that they get their ingredients from are not in the US. So this way they try to connect the customer to the farmers as well as other people that work with the farmers as well. So part of their CSR is really to actively recognize the central role that the business plays in the society, as well as initiating really innovative ways to improve the quality of life for just all people, whether that's locally, nationally, or internationally. And I really liked the fact that their CSR really encompasses all the positive effects of community as well as community growth, as well as doing things within the community that involve business. Just because, especially in Boone, the Ben& Jerry's does tons of things with camps, with schools, App State as well, doing like Free Cone Day and stuff like that. That's why I really like their CSR program. In addition, their main thing about Ben& Jerry's is really connecting the company with the customers as well as with the farmers, and what that really kind of goes back to is labeling of GMOs and knowing what's in your food and knowing what's in the finalized product as a business owner as well. You want to know what your product is if you're not making it on site. So that's a big thing for Ben& Jerry's, is just knowing what's in your food and having the right to know what's in your food, especially with that being so political, and having a side, especially if you go to benandjerrys.com, you can kind of find ways that you can advocate in your community. And I think that's so cool, the fact that they really allow just anybody who's the customer to be part of their CSR.